discontinuity is a function that is not continuous curve, which means points are isolated from each other on a graph.
So here we have two types of discontinuities. This one is the point or removable discontinuity, which consists on having a point that is not part of the original function. Like here we have a parabola with a hole, and we can say that is, for example, 5, and this 5. So when x approaches to 5, the point over the y-axis is going to be in other part and not in the original graph.
Here we have another example of a point removable discontinuity. They are saying that when x approaches to 4, the y value is not going to be part of this graph, and its value is going to be 20. And if you want to calculate the x and y values in a chart, there is gonna be like this. When x is equals to 3, y is going to be 6, for example. But when it goes to 4, the y value is going to be 20.
So the other discontinuity is the endpoint discontinuity, which consists on an endpoint like this function. We have the square root of x, but if we approach to 0, there is not a point because we can't have or we can't obtain the square root of 0 because it doesn't exist.
The next type of discontinuity is the jump discontinuity. This means that it's approaching different values depending of where x is coming from. Like in this example, it's coming from this. The last type of discontinuity is the asymptotic discontinuity. Here we have two examples. Here is on the x-axis and here on the y-axis. Here in 1 and here in 2. Here the graph is coming from the minus infinite, and in here also, and here is going to the positive infinite. Thank you.